Hello, welcome. Today we are going to discuss how to manipulate captions on YouTube. You may be thinking, I know how to do this, but did you know you can change the color, font, size, and background of the captions? This feature makes captions more accessible to meet your own needs. Let's take a look and see how to do this.
On the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see a few icons. You'll see a box that says CC. This will turn on the captions. Each YouTube video comes with standard captions. I will show you what they look like. In order to change the captions, you'll see the settings button right next to the CC button. Go ahead and click on settings. You'll see three options. Choose the second option, which says subtitles/CC (2). On the right-hand corner, you'll see options. Go ahead and click options. This opens up a huge menu of different ways to change your font. You'll see you can change the font family, and a preview of what it looks like will be shown. You can change the font color. You can change the color background. All of these different features will change the captions. Now you can play the video with your new captions. If you want to change the captions, you go in the same place that we went to before. If you want to reset the captions back to the standard style, click Reset. Now you'll see the settings are back to the standard YouTube style.
Wow, wasn't that cool? YouTube really allows you to manipulate your captions and make them accessible to your individual needs and preferences. Thanks for watching.